Introducing the new Prolon ProPacks, the grab-and-go solution designed to streamline your workflow, save time, and eliminate guesswork. ProPacks help get the job done faster. Each ProPack is carefully assembled with all the essential components needed for a seamless HVAC installation. No more searching for parts or making emergency supply runs. Everything you need in one convenient package, right when you need it. Prolon ProPacks are available for 3 common applications: variable air volume, VAV, single zone rooftop, RTUS, zoning rooftop, RTU. Boost productivity with ready-to-install Prolon ProPacks and make your installations faster, product selection easier, and results more reliable. Each ProPack ensures consistency, accuracy, and reduced downtime, keeping your projects on schedule and your team ahead of the competition. Ask your Prolon wholesaler how ProPacks can optimize your next installation today. Prolon ProPacks. Powerfully simple, always reliable.